First thing we'll kind of start off with is just, a quick, what is the SolidWorks certification program? So we have, again, we're on part 2 today, but the certification program is a worldwide industry recognized certification program that's used to benchmark and measure your knowledge and competency in SolidWorks software. We started this in 1998 with the CSWP exam, and today we have 33 certifications, and there's been over 600,000 certified users. Now we have for a lot of our products, we have these sort of certifications at different levels: associate level, professional level, and expert level, and they kind of work on top of each other. You don't have to take the associate level exams to then take the professional ones, but you could. It's a good place to start, and you can go from there. We also have the similar exams for our 3D Experience products, 3D Experience platform, like the Collaborative Industry Innovator and 3D Swimmer and things like that.